when we'll click on the tournament link, this page will come. After this we will have to click on the register now. When we click on the register now, then we have to add a player. Add a player means we need to add our name, full name, which have written in the feeder site or which have written in a birth certificate. Like my name is Ravikant, but I will write something triple R like this, and then after next step, then we have to click on that dot line. It will become green. Then again next step. Then here we need to add our year of birth, only year, not date, only year of birth. Let's suppose 2000, and here we have to put gender, that is male, or if you want to, if you are girl, you can put female, and then next step, and it's finished. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, we have to click whether you want to put an entry. This is under national under 17, which we have the link. So national under 17, and the comment box you have to write your FIDE ID, only FIDE ID, nothing else. So I'm writing here, put your FIDE ID. Next, then just for cross check, the phone number and the email ID. Next step, and confirm your entry. Once you click on the confirm entry, you have registered for the tournament. Now you are ready for play. When the game will start, you will get notification on the top, play, and now you have to do nothing, just you have to click on the link and you will become to this page directly. Thank you.